Merchandise time once again. 2 boxes of goodies. Always excited to see what's in the boxes. Mystery boxes. One thing is for sure, there's always a lot of fillings in. Comic bags. I actually just made a video regarding this. So this is for a customer that ordered 100 comic bags in the current size, which means it's the comics that are being made now. We have Makima figure, Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man. A lot of stuff being sold from Chainsaw Man. Not quite sure. Oh, we have an extra. Same one. We have these Nendoroid figures. We have Mosu and Seiyan Lee. We have Black Manta. And then we have Wifey over here. So Black Manta is from the DC Universe, included exclusive comic book English language. So is that the guy that is in the new DC movie Aquaman? I think so. Malefic Spawn, Malefic Spawn from Mortal Kombat. Bloody outfit with effect parts. Looks pretty great. Premier Ball. These electronic replicas look quite good, and they come in these awesome boxes. We sold a few of these Pokeballs, so look nice. Another Nendoroid. Kilo Su. Hi. Another Nendoroid is the Xiaoling. These figures are so much cooler than the Funko Pop. Also a lot more expensive, and 2 different things, I know. Then we have backing boards, current size, thick. I didn't buy thick. I think mine was normal. Didn't even know you could get thick. I think I know this is, no, I didn't. Multiverse Swamp Thing. Oh, he looks great, especially the face and the texture. I saw that movie that came out, or the series. I actually liked it. Oh, G.I. Joe. Now this is for myself. As usual, something's always for myself. Snake Eyes with his wolf. I played a lot with G.I. Joe as a kid. I can probably do an unboxing of this one. But yeah, it looks great. A lot of memories behind this figure. And this one, not so many memories. Destro. But this one was a limited. And I bought one with damaged packaging. So I can just open it. Because he's not going to be in the packaging. My figures from these universes here are going into my display cabinets. Is there tape on these? Yeah. So I don't care about the box. This is actually a collector's version, as far as I recall. It doesn't look like this. The normal version. Let me just check something out. And then it became another kind of unboxing video, but hey, I'm the editor. I do what I want. So this one goes up here like this, and then he shoots it. Gold case and that nasty looking leopard thing. Take a look at the back muscles and everything. The gold suitcase. I mean, this was the villain from that sewage crap he's walking around in. There's a mask down here. I actually thought he looked good, so he's gonna be there with Snake Eyes in my display cabinet over here, where there's Marvel statues as well. It was just for fun. Statues with the damage box like this was actually very cheap, so I will survive trying to make greatest warehouse in Denmark. I can't say in the world because I've really seen some crazy warehouses, or at least collectors' rooms, where I don't have the finances to do anything like it, but I will try to make it as cozy and great as possible, at least for me. And we have Supersonico, Buy Cute Bunnies, newly drawn costume. Now she did eat enough potatoes as a child, I can see that. Typical Japanese manga anime figures. We have another one here, Precious figure, Rem. I mean, they're so colorful, these figures. Looks great. What is this? A plush One Piece thing. I can't remember his name. Looks better without that thing in the middle of his face, but. Then we have a Kurobikaya model kit of the Takamura. It has some great colors, yellow and purple. Actually look very nice. I had this in the store before. Then we have this Infinity Saga. This is also for me now. Stop it, Jesper. You're buying so much stuff. It's a damaged box. Let's hope it's not that damaged. This is the Stark Tower that has to be built. 67 pieces. And I just saw a dude on YouTube build it. I just thought that looked like a fun little project, and the outcome was pretty nice. It survived. So sometimes if you don't care about the box, then you can actually get some pretty cheap stuff. And I'm an old Avengers fan, so of course I'm gonna need the Stark Tower. Couldn't be any different. Then we have special figure Supersonico Military. And we have a Space Marine Heroes, blind buy, 6 to collect. 6, there's 8 in it. Blind buy 6 to collect. So what does that mean? That at least 6 of them are different, or you don't know anything at all. Now 6 of them should be different, I hope. And then we have a mixed box in the box. I have another one of the Warhammer assortment. Ooh, we have Yoda. Tiny Yoda. I love these old packs here. I'm a very nostalgic person when it comes to that, because I spent so much time and dreamt a lot in the toy stores as a kid. Guillermo de la Cruz from What We Do in the Shadows. Funko Pop. And Colin Robinson from the same universe. And Nendoroid the Relentless. Do we have more? I think we have more. We have Laszlo Gravensworth. And we have Nadja of Antipaxos. She looks kind of evil. Then we have this fun thing here. This is with a t-shirt. So it's a Funko Pop Friends with Monica with the turkey on her face, on her head. And we have 2 Freddie Mercury. Now these are so old from the pre-order section that the customers has to buy them again because the authorization on the credit card payment expired. So for me to ship these out and take payment for them, I need the customer to send another order, and then I will cancel the old one. Last part is The Last of Us Part 2. This is Abby. Actually sold quite a lot of these figures as well. Sometimes when I get these orders, I have a feeling that I should order more for stock so I could ship them out faster and thereby maybe get some more orders, but I kind of don't have that much space. So that was it for this time. Good bunch of stuff. I will pack this as fast as I can because GLS can be here any moment, as usual. Right now, because there's a new chauffeur, my incoming pre-orders are arriving very late, so sometimes I can't get them out the same day. But I mean, people have been waiting for days, so that's why I want to do it fast. But sometimes I can't reach it. So now I'm gonna pack it and ship as much out as I can today. And new orders is arriving, I think it will be next week. Should be a pallet incoming today with some Gundam goods. Not quite sure I'm gonna unbox that today, but then I will be back tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys, for more of all this awesome stuff, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.